Hey guys, we're here at the Fairfield Inn and Suites in Gainesville, Florida. The Fairfield Inn is part of the Marriott brand portfolio of hotels. This property is very, very well laid out, very clean. We find the room is very clean and spacious. Look at all the light in here. 2 comfortable queen-size beds, plenty of space for everybody. We have a desk with outlets above the desk, which is great for folks like me who work when we're on vacation. Large TV, little storage here in the desk for office supplies, or if you want to use it as a vanity for makeup. There's a storage shelf below the window too, which is also helpful. The bedding looks comfortable. The beds are nice and soft. Little storage next to the nightstand, as well as a light, and then individual reading lights on both sides. Then you're going to see we have a wardrobe here with a hook and a cabinet with 2 drawers for storage. It's not a ton of storage, but it'll do. I would suggest definitely using packing cubes when you're packing to help maximize the use of storage space in most hotel rooms. Here, this is great. We have the microwave, the coffee bar, and the mini fridge, which is great to keep some waters in, some snacks. Another great benefit of staying at Fairfield Inn is they have breakfast service in the morning. Check with your front desk when you check in to see what time your service is going to run, and that's included with your stay. So that'll save you some time and money in the morning. The bathroom is large, spacious, well laid out, very clean, well appointed. You're going to have your toilet and your shower. Very basic, but exactly what you need. You're also going to find some bath products here. So if you don't travel with your own or you forget yours, you've got that taken care of. All in all, this is a really nice room. It's a really good value. I would certainly recommend Fairfield Inn or any other Marriott property when you're considering your next vacation stay. I hope this helps you pick your next vacation room. If you have any questions, leave them for me in the comments. Subscribe, like, and we'll talk to you soon.